Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is October 9th. It is report day as well. There is a USDA report that'll be out at 11 o'clock Central Time. It is, I guess we'll see if it's going to be a market mover or not. Some of the average trade guesses certainly lower from where we were at last month. So for corn ending stocks, expecting to see a decline from 450 down to 414. Now that is the average guess across all analysts. So 414. As far as corn, looking for a decline from 1.592 billion. So 1.592 down to 1.534. So we'll see if we do end up getting that. And then also for wheat, looking for a decline as well from 875 million down to 819. So looking for a decline for all three. Some of the big things to watch today is what kind of acreage change are we going to see? What is USDA going to do with that? Will there be something or will there be a significant change to really give us some kind of a bullish number in here? But we are expecting to see them change the acreage or lower acreage for corn and beans. We know there needs to be some kind of adjustment. But for corn, we're expecting just about a 400,000 acre decline, kind of more of a stepping stone as well, and maybe more reductions here as we get into January. But for beans, maybe a little bit more significant. We know they didn't cut that much on the last report. We're expecting somewhere closer to 875,000 today, but by January, maybe making a cut of about 1.3 million. So we'll see what kind of, at least what kind of numbers they give us on this. Now, something else that's being talked about as well. A lot of producers we've talked to out there doing great, doing really well in the fields and finding some bigger yields. Are we going to see any adjustment there? If you were to think back a month ago, everyone was talking that the numbers that USDA, these were just ridiculous numbers and we were way too high. Well, now I guess, can we even see them increase yield a little bit? We might. We'll have to see what kind of numbers they throw at us today again, but the chances are is that they could try to offset something there. If we do get lower acres, will they raise the yield? The other thing that they may end up doing is looking at demand. Usually on this report, we see USDA make an adjustment for demand. We know we're behind for corn and beans. We know there needs to be an adjustment there as well. So will they recognize it here today and give us some kind of a demand number that's lower than what they have been projecting? So that may skew things a little bit this morning as well at 11 o'clock. So stay in tune with us as we get closer to that report. Rich Nelson will have these numbers from you right after they've been released. And we'll get you those, like I said, as soon as we can. Looking at livestock, very violent, wild days we've seen. We've seen some strength here over the last couple days, and looking to see if we can continue that here to finish out the week. There is talks right now that maybe we'll see cash trade today between 122 to 125. Last week we were at 121, so that would be an improvement this week, but we continue to see box beef kind of slip back. Choice was up 3, but select down 24 cents. We're not really catching anything there as well. But cash is king. That's what guys are going to focus on here today. We don't have any trade yet. We'll be looking for that. The October contract is pricing in 130 right now. So I think that might be a little too much, but that's where October is pricing in. We'll see if we can get the strength in the cash market, but that's what we're going to need to follow here as far as cattle. Hogs, on the other hand, we've gotten some strength. We've seen a stronger close once again yesterday. Cutout values up 189, looking very good. Probably going to see steady to a little stronger start there out of the hogs as well. Stock market up 49 right now. Crude up 88 cents, making a new recent high here this morning. And that's as the dollar continues to break back. Dollar's down 58 cents right now. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. You can reach us, 800-262-7536, or take a look on the web, allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.